Good afternoon, everyone. The topic is about nature and scope of citizenship. Basically, who is a citizen? The people who have citizenship status in a state where they reside are the citizens of that state. They can both they can enjoy both the civil and political rights. The and the citizenship refers to the legal status of each citizen. It reflects the fact that citizen of state enjoys the protection of his state in respect of his security and rights. Hans Kelsen is a jurist, says about citizenship that citizenship is a legal status determined by specific rights and duties of which the status is the condition. Citizen of a state is he who has political right in the duty of military services. According to the Indian Constitution, citizenship deals with Article 5 to 11 under Part 2. Nationality. The nationality of a person reveals his or her place of birth, that is, the place from where the person belongs to. So there is a difference between nationality and citizenship. That is, nationality means a corporate sentiment of unity of members of a specific group forming a race or nation where he has born in that place where he belongs to. Citizenship denotes link between a person and a state or an association of states. A domicile. The term domicile is not defined in Indian Constitution, and it is derived from a Latin term which is factum animus, which means permanent and indefinitely. Basically, domicile is divided into two types, that is by origin and by choice. By origin, which is he or she has born in India. By choice is due to proof and by having a permanent indefinite intention to staying in India. The next one is multiple citizenship. Multiple citizenship is or dual citizenships, that is simply being a citizen of two countries. For example, dual citizenship allows that is USA gives the dual citizenship, but India follows its rule of single citizenship. Article 9, subclause 1 of the Indian Constitution explicitly states that any citizen of India who by naturalization or registration acquires the citizenship of another country shall cease to be an Indian citizen. And India from very beginning taken a stand of single citizenship. It advocates single citizenship throughout its territory. The two case laws which is the most important, that is Mohammad Raza versus State of Bombay. In this case, the person came to India in 1938, and after 7 years he went to Iran for pilgrimage visit. After when he was returned, he was willing to stay in India, but the government rejected the domicile. He challenged the case before the court, and he lost the case because the stay has to be permanent and indefinite. And Louis D. Riodet versus Union of India. In this case, the term amnius manandi is used in this case, which means it is a Latin term which means the intention of remaining. And the court ruled that residence alone is insufficient to prove the citizenship and domicile.